Hi guys, Eugene here with Darkroom Software. In this quick video, I want to show you how you can do some pretty cool stuff with automation. Recently, my wife came to me and said, hey, can you set it up so if I drop an image into a folder, it will automatically print out a 4x6? And yeah, that's real easy. You can do that with a hot folder camera. But she said, what if I had a 5x7? Can I have another folder for a 5x7? And that's where what I'm about to show you kicks in. We have the option to set up hot folders as input devices and set to print a specific size, and we can add a template to it, and we can do all the normal stuff that we'd have on a package. So let me show you the ones I have set up. I have a credit card, which is currently disabled, and I have 4x6, 5x7, 8x10. So let's go ahead and add another one. I'm going to click Add, Hot Folder, and this one is going to be a 8.5 by 11, and I should have a folder on my desktop. There we go, 8.5 by 11. I didn't use the point. We don't want to use special characters with our file names, so 8.5 by 11. And then we're going to click Add and select from US paper sizes 8.5 by 11, and then enable monitoring. So I have that folder right here. If I grab, let's say, this image and copy it into that folder, you can see Darkroom has created an order and it's already sent it to print. So that's easy enough. Let's go ahead and kick it up a notch. What we're going to do is do a 4x5 with a template. So hot folder, and then browse. Let's create the folder. Okay. And then now here, I might have to, there's 4x5 Polaroid. And I'm going to click Add, switch to our 5-inch prints, and select 4x5. So this would automatically just output an image as a 4x5. What we're going to do is double click on this, click Always Use a Border with this package item, browse, and I have a template already set up somewhere in here. See if we can make this a little larger. Oh, there it is. And I'll go ahead and show you that template. We want to enable this. Here it is. It's just a 4x5 with a square image, and with a little bit of a drop shadow, and it will automatically update with the date. So if we were using, let's say, a Wi-Fi camera in our house, we could just take a picture. It'll drop in. We set it to drop into that folder, and it'll automatically print out with a script, so it looks like somebody wrote the date on, just like you would have in the old days with Polaroid photos. So let's go ahead and try that out. And I have it's set to go to a raster printer rather than a physical printer right now, just so you can see and doesn't make a whole bunch of noise when it kicks on. But I have my Polaroid. Let's find an image. Let's take my little man right there, copy him in. And here is the file that was created. So it's hard to see that it has edge, but it would print out as a 4x5. So practical use. This is good for in the home, you know, just being able to print, but most of you guys are running a business. The people who would more than likely use this is somebody that's working in a lab environment, that they have multiple inputs that are going to Darkroom and they're having create orders. What this does, it allows you to send an order from, let's say, Rose, DACUS or Photogenics, whatever input you're using. As you can see, I kind of have a lab background. But and you take those images, have them just deposit into a folder, and it automatically prints that image. So for some of those weird printers that you can't get into ROSE, or you need some special stuff going on in the background for guides, those type of things, this is where this hot folder workflow works out really well. The other people who might want to use this is somebody that's using Core Edition and they want to network multiple computers. They can have Core Edition output to another printer that's Wi-Fi connected, and you just drop it into a network, and at that point the main computer with all the printers attached will take that image and start printing it. So this allows you to use Wi-Fi and kind of gets away from the network setup that comes along with Pro. You don't have the back and forth connectivity, but one computer can capture and then transmit it to another computer that then prints it. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.